Oppo has officially launched the Reno 13 series in China, introducing two models, the Reno 13 and Reno 13 Pro. With a sleek design, powerful features, and cutting-edge technology, the Oppo Reno 13 available in butterfly purple, galaxy blue, and midnight black. The Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution flat AMOLED display, offering a 120Hz refresh rate. It reaches up to 1200 nits peak brightness. The Reno 13 Pro comes a triple camera system with a 50MP Sony IMX890 primary sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. It also features a 50MP front camera. Reno 13 equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset and Mali G615NC6 GPU, and running Android 15 with ColorOS 15, delivering smooth gaming and multitasking performance. They also include a custom X1 network acceleration chip for enhanced connectivity, X-axis linear motors, and a gaming-focused cloud computing private network for ultra-low latency and high-speed gameplay. The Reno 13 comes in 5800 mAh battery. With support 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, the Reno 13 pricing starts at 2,699 yuan for the 12GB plus 256GB model. Oppo Reno 13 series offers IP69 rated dust and water resistance and supports underwater photography. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.